Hello everyone, welcome back to the box of entertainment. Guys, do you know what will happen if you break an egg into molten metal? Within few seconds, egg is almost ready. This organization built the capacity to bring famous people back to life. They just need one single image of somebody to put it on the face of an individual who is alive today.
Oh my God!
There was knitting on the pool that made it appear as though this dog ran on top of the water.
We know why elephants need their trunks. When you're too tired of Insta-bloggers.
This bird is playing hide and seek with this tiger. This building is situated in China and it's called Glass Quarter. It's very famous for highest circular waterfall in the world. The bridges are made of a glass so you can see what's under your feet. If you are sick of the picture in your room, you can hang a new one with latest gadget. It's called Scribit. It will draw whatever you want. You pick a lovely picture in the application and it puts the image on the wall. These skiers climbed the almost vertical slope of Kvarmez mountain range in Central Asia. Then let's see what happened. If you have ever been on a golf course, you will be wondered how do they clean the lawn before a new game. It's very clever. This is the smallest chicken breed in the world. It's found in Malaysia. That is not an optical illusion, it's real. These individuals cut a giant circle in the ice just to spin it around. Thanks for watching. If you are a new one here, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for update notification.